another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some women's exclusives. These are the Air Jordan 1 Lows in the Marina Blue colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be talking about some Air Jordan 1 Lows. These are in the Marina Blue colorway, and again, it is a women's exclusive. We'll start off with the overview, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style these, then conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So pretty simplistic color scheme that we've got going on here. We've got the crisp white leather on the toe box, that Marina Blue on the front, which is nicely tumbled. Working our way up, just crisp white laces, a nice nylon tongue in all white, and then we've got hits of that Marina Blue on the Jumpman that's nicely embroidered there, as well as the 23, which is embroidered in the Marina Blue as well. On the eyelets, we've got tumbled Marina Blue color scheme as well, which I think just highlights those white laces quite nicely. Let's take a look at those details, then move on to the side paneling. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we do have just underlays of that white leather, overlays of that Marina Blue on the swoosh mark. As we work our way to the back for the Air Jordan Wings logo, we have that embroidered in that crisp white colorway, which really pops off of that tumbled leather and that Marina Blue color scheme. Wrapping around to the other side, the same underlays of the white leather and overlays of that Marina Blue. We have this really kind of nice satiny Marina Blue for the interior on that collar, which I think is really nice and shiny and just makes the sneaker look a little bit more luxurious. You see that we've got that same material on the inside of the tongue as well. The insoles are in Marina Blue, and the Jumpman logo is in a simple white colorway. And then the sneaker is completed with a white midsole and that Marina Blue for the outsole. Let's take a look at all of those last and final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. Again, this is a women's exclusive sneaker, so this only came in women's sizing. I'm true to size in the Air Jordan 1 Lows, which is a size 9, and that's equivalent to a size 7.5 in men's. So if you do have higher, narrow feet like myself, I think you should stick true to size. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could also differentiate a different type of sizing that may work best for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. We are getting into the summertime here in New York. We're fully in it because it has been hot, but Bold colors seem to be really trending right now, especially blues. I'm seeing a lot of royal blue in stores currently, so I definitely wanted to bring some of this kind of Marina blue, royal blue into the mix. So for the first look, I wore a just simplistic seersucker blazer that was white with a light pink color scheme. Underneath, I wore a really cool just beach themed t-shirt, which had some nice highlights of blue in it. And then for the bottoms, I wore just simple denim pants. Denim pants are just going to go great with this, any color, any shade. Far as the second look, I wanted to really dress it up a little bit, so I wore a satin skirt, which was in kind of this nice pop of blue color scheme, and then I wore just a simple gray tank, and then I layered that with a blue blazer just to kind of really match again with the sneaker itself.
Dark skies on your face, see the northern lights. Nothing left under me. I don't miss gravity. Somewhere so far away, 'cause from here we'll never be the same. Burn the maps, take a leave. Yeah, we got all we need. Be my
For the last and final look, I wore a white cropped shirt with some nice kind of cargo pattern to that shirt. And then for the bottoms, I wore some cargo pants in a blue colorway as well. And I think that that's just, again, complemented this white and blue color combination.
one, no one else. Be my passion. Keep hanging on, I know that time will tell how far we fell. Ever sure.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We were never meant to be apart. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny, be in harmony. We don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $100 and they are currently going between $120 to $150. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thank you so much if you are new here and tuned in for the first time. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out, as well as give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.
But you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go. I know everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going.